Hey guys, check in to see how you're doing with this whole divorce thing. It occurs to me as I think about how we approach a situation that more and more it's not about feelings, it's about commitment, it's about vision of where you want to go and where you see yourself, and then obviously doing the things necessary to get you there. So if we're guided by our feelings, like do we want to go to the gym? Do we want to make a call for a business or our job or whatever? A lot of times we don't want to do that, but we do it. So we set the bricks in place to create the road out of here. My dad is the best example of that. The guy just does what needs to be done. He doesn't get in a lot of drama or back and forth. And as a creative, I tend to go into that arena. But especially now as I try to raise money for a film I'm doing, it's brutal, man. When somebody jumps aboard, it's the greatest thing. But day to day can be tough, and it's like this divorce thing. Eating right, exercising, doing your writing, doing something to stabilize yourself. Things that waste your time, whether that be people or things. It's easy to get lost, especially in this media storm we're in these days. And if you're into like Fortnite or the video games too, that'll take you away. Those have their place in time, but we have to stay the course, and it's not about being guided by feelings if this feels good or not. It's nice when they do and they align with the mission, but I would encourage you to almost train discomfort. For me, that's cold showers. Now, some guys take cold showers all the time. I'm not there, they're animals, but it's weird. When you take a cold shower, you put that cold water on in the beginning or end of the shower, just blast yourself for 5, 10, 30 seconds. It hardens you. Don't go there. I know what you're thinking. It makes you stronger, man, and prepares you for those difficult times. I think my point is that we can think like, all right, this is a difficult time. I have to do this. Let's buckle down. But to actually train it, go to the gym when you don't feel like doing it. Clean up when you don't feel like doing it. Is your place a mess? That kind of thing. We've talked about that before. But things like cold showers, getting your writing in, the free writing we talk about, where you just write out whatever's on your mind and then let it go. Discipline has a bad rap, but whatever you want to describe it, it's doing those steps, okay? So those are my 2 cents. Thanks for all the nice emails and everything, and glad I could be of some help. Again, I'm talking to you guys who are in the storm. Just trust me, reach out, take my hand, and make 3 things you can do during the day, whether it be a little exercise, even if it's 2 push-ups, it doesn't matter. Just get something in you know is going to move you in that direction you want to go in, brother. Okay? Until next time, peace. We'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye.